In this video, you'll learn how to add a collaborator in Vercel. We'll go through the full process together, step by step. So by the end, you'll be able to invite teammates to your Vercel projects with confidence. I'll also point out a few things to watch for, like plan requirements and role selection, so nothing catches you by surprise. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your browser and go to vercel.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Vercel account. Make sure you're in the correct account or team workspace where your project lives, since collaborators are added at the team level. Once you're on the dashboard, you should see your projects and the main navigation for that workspace. Now, look for the option to add something new. This is usually labeled Add New, and it's often near the top of the interface, close to where you'd create a new project or import a repo. Click on Add New. Instead of starting a new project, what we want here is related to people, not code. From the menu that appears, choose the option that refers to team members. It may be labeled Team Member or something very similar. Go ahead and click that. This is the area where you manage who has access to your team and projects and what they're allowed to do. Before we go any further, there's an important detail. Adding collaborators as team members is a feature that's available on the Pro plan. That means if you're on a free or hobby plan, you may see a message telling you that you need to upgrade before you can invite more people. If you run into that, you can either upgrade the team to a Pro plan or ask the existing team owner to handle the invite for you. It's a good idea to confirm your plan and billing situation before you start inviting a lot of collaborators so you don't hit any unexpected limits. Assuming you're on a plan that supports team members, you'll now see a form or dialogue where you can enter the collaborators' details. The first thing you'll usually be asked for is an email address. Type in the email address of the person you want to add. Take a moment to double check the spelling because the invitation will be sent directly to that address. If there's a typo, they won't receive it and you'll have to resend. Next, you'll be asked to select a role for this new collaborator. Roles determine what the person can see and do inside your Vercel team. Common roles include more restricted options that can only view deployments, all the way up to admins who can change settings and manage billing. Think about what this collaborator actually needs. For example, a developer who will be deploying and managing environments may need a higher level of access than someone who just needs to review deployments. Choosing the right role up front helps keep your project secure while still giving your teammates the access they need. Once you've entered the email address and selected the appropriate role, you're ready to send the invitation. Click the button to invite the collaborator. Vercel will send them an email with a link to join your team. They'll need to accept that invite, and once they do, they'll appear in your team member list with the role you chose. And that's it. You've successfully added a collaborator in Vercel by going to vercel.com, using the Add New option, choosing team member, confirming you're on a Pro plan, entering their email, selecting the right role, and sending the invite.